This is a really cool old McCulloch cart. Twin Max in the back. Really neat old cart.
That's an oldie there.
You bet it is.
Was mine. I've had it since I was in high school.
Since you were in high school, you had it, huh?
That's a million years ago.
Notice that people, he won't tell us exactly when that was. So.
What's that?
He won't tell us exactly when that
I'm
was.
75, so it's been around a few days.
Yeah, it's a little. It's been around
Almost
a while.
a new cart when I got it. I bought it from a guy his dad bought it from him and he didn't like it.
It's not for sale.
Huh?
Sit down,
It's not for sale. Yeah, so don't ask me.
No, that one's
I get everybody on my YouTube channel always asking me, is that for sale?
Oh, gosh,
And-
no kidding. Go Kart 800 for sale.
And no, this is not for sale, guys. So,
Go Kart 800 for sale.
oh, the Go-Kart 800's for sale. Now everybody's going to be asking me, well, how much is that Go-Kart 800?
Have you seen those, like, Bring It trailer? How much they go on Bring It trailer? It's amazing.
There's some guys on that.
What's up with that? How come they go so much on there?
Yeah, I think it's only certain carts. Certain carts.
Yeah.
Rups, especially.
Is the fuel turned
Yeah,
back
right,
on, or did
yeah.
you turn
I
it
don't know. Did we turn the fuel off, Todd, or is it on?
It should be on.
I thought so.
Oh, good.